Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from in the whole wide world. This is my picture with another video. We've got Callum Vlogs.
Hello.
Whitey. Right then guys, if you're wondering where I've been for the last few months, A, the weather's been absolute crap, and B, I've had a bad chest infection, so that's the main reason why I've not been out. Got my camera with me, can't get me drone because it's obviously too busy where I am, which is at Endcliff Park. We're on the hunt for the Grey Heron Part 3, and this is where I saw him last time, so all being well, he's still here. If not, it's a waste of journey. Never mind, all the pictures and vids will be, well, all the pictures will be at the end of this video, and hopefully there'll be some Grey Heron video pictures there as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, that'd be absolutely awesome. So see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
We walked the length and breadth at Endcliff Park in Sheffield. Nothing. Quite adults.
We're absolutely roasting.
Yeah, it's about, what, 30 degrees now? We've walked the whole of Endcliff Park and all Grey Heron. I can remember, I think it was last year, but I didn't have a camera with me. There's a heron on this lake that's in front of me now, which I'll show you in a bit. And it was at the other end. It's not today. Maybe because it's late on it day, and it might have buggered off because it's too noisy with kids and stuff. I don't know. What was I going to say?
Wah, wah, wah.
There you go. Wah, wah, wah. Oh well. We'll have a little hunt round, see what's what. If we can find it, we can find it. If we can't, we'll come out another day. Probably early in the morning. And there's nobody back. No. Never mind. Alright guys and girls, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. That'd be absolutely awesome. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully for Hunt Part 4. Well, let's not see in between now and then. This will probably be it. We have to do a little bit more video with pictures on them. Alright guys. Bye.
Bye.